64 car of Bill Balms. Outside of Bill Balms in the 73 car is Justin Wagner. And inside, outside, inside, all by himself back there in the 22 car. Current points leader in the Roadrunner division, that's Dwayne Lonsberry as our runners get ready to go green flag racing. Here they come, they come, they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
That's at 18 on Robbie Robinson coming out with the early lead. Justin Wagner in that 73 trying to follow his path with Dwayne Lonsberry in that 22. They took the hot side on the top side.
Eric, look at that 7 car. Josh Cavan looks like he's got one of those GoPro cameras on the top of his car, maybe recording the races going around.
He surely is, as he's in 4th right now, so he's got 3 cars to record in front of him. At 18R, Robbie Robinson still out front. Wagner in the 73 car now being challenged by the 22 of Dwayne Lonsberry.
As Josh, the inside lane for Josh Cavan doesn't seem to be working so well as he's went from the front to the back of the pack now. But here comes Lonsberry on the inside of Wagner, challenged for that 2nd position.
Door to door they go along the back stretch into turns 3 and 4. And it could be Wagner that got him to the tape, but it's still the 18R of Robbie Robinson out front. Lonsberry now in that 22 has established himself in 2nd. Wagner trying to hold off Balms in the 64 car for 3rd, but Lonsberry took that a little bit high in turn 4.
Looks like it was almost going to go 3 wide there in turns 3 and 4, Eric, as Balms went real high there. Here comes Lonsberry. Balms looking to the outside of Wagner. Not anymore. Balms maybe looking to the inside of Wagner coming into 3 and 4.
Robinson in that 18R. Going to try and hold off Lonsberry as long as he can. He's got a few more laps to do it. That 22 car is all over that 18 as he now challenges along the back stretch. 73 of Wagner in 3rd, Balms in that 64 in the top 4.
And we could have a drag race for the finish here as Robbie Robinson is trying to hold off Dwayne Lonsberry. Here comes Lonsberry on the inside of Robinson. What's going to happen here, ladies and gentlemen? Is Dwayne Lonsberry going to catch him? They've got 1 lap to go this time around. They are running out of time. Will Robbie Robinson hold him off, or is it going to be Lonsberry?
Lonsberry 1st in the points. Robinson 6th in the points. Big time battles. Important for every race because there's not too many of them as Robinson's trying to hold off Lonsberry as they get here to the finish. In turn 4 and down the stretch, it is going to be Robbie Robinson, Dwayne Lonsberry, Justin Wagner, William Balms, and that number 7 car, Joshua Gabriel.
What a race there by Robbie Robinson, being able to hold off the points leader for the Roadrunner division, Dwayne Lonsberry, to get that heat win here in the Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunner division.
Yeah, that's his 2nd heat win. He's got 1 feature win. He's got a dash win. He's 6th in the point from Orville, Wisconsin. Over the limit, Rockin' Country, Borderline Auto Sales, and Tammy's Moonlight Trucking are all sponsors for that 18R machine.